The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
I'm out there looking for someone, a lady, and the lady must have good self-esteem, good characters, and all of that, and we can work together. Somebody must be willing to work, and we can negotiable and other stuff. So she could hook me up on TikTok or call me specifically. I'm looking somebody in my age group, than 16 or 18, somebody between 40 to 45. Okay, I'm available and I have good characters, good character skills, very working, very ambitious. So I will go for the flow.
My people, sometimes I see some videos on social media, see? It make me freeze. Sometimes some of them videos, they don't even make me know what to really and truly say. You see me I say? No, me take a look at that video now. And me I wonder if that video is a publicity stunt or if it's something that the person do for real. You see me I say? Yeah, the reason why I presented the video to you is because the video is getting a little buzz on social media. Yeah, the video is being talked about on social media, viewers and subscribers, you know. And I would like you to tell me what I think about that video. I would like you to tell me if you think the man was serious about the things that he said in the video, or you can tell me if you think the man was joking or what. You can tell me what I think about the video, viewers and subscribers, alright? Yeah, and I really, you know, because if this person really and truly serious, you know, this is no thing that I'm going to laugh at anybody. You know me? No, me is not that kind of person. You see me I say? Yeah, but if it's a publicity stunt or if him do the video for entertainment purpose, well, that's a different thing. You see me I say? So tell me what you think, my people, alright? Alright, so pardon my manners, viewers and subscribers. My name is Dancehall, skilla. I'm here again, you see it? Alright, so I soon present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, but I want to talk to you about a video that shows a man with a snake wrapped in his hair that's on his head. See it? Yes, you hear me say good? The video that I'm talking about shows a man with a snake wrapped in his hair that's on his head. Now I'm going to present just the video to you without the audio, just a little, and talk to you about it. See me, so brace yourself, you know, remember what I told you the video is about, alright? Alright, now here's the video I'm talking about, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, according to some comments on social media, I got the understanding that some persons are wondering if the man don't know that the snake is in his hair. You understand me? I said to you, my people. So I look at the video and I wonder to myself, how can somebody not feel a snake that size wrapped in your hair or on your head? You see me? I cannot tell if him know or if him don't know enough, viewers and subscribers. Me only go by some things that I see in the video. You see me? I said to you, but on a real, me I wonder if this man really and truly don't know that the snake is in his ear. And at the same time, I think that he might know that the snake is in his ear, viewers and subscribers. You see me? So, more you tell me what you think, yeah, my people. Tell me if you think the man knows that the snake is in his ear or if him don't know that the snake then in here. My people, on a real, this video have me thinking. You see it? And I one thing for sure, if him knows that the snake that in a film here and him a walk all about the place with the snake in his ear, or him in the video like that with the snake in his ear and him no panic, then me think him brave. But one thing me know, me not run them the risk then of viewers and subscribers. Me not take them the chance that with no snake them the way then. All when them say them harmless, me not run them the joke that with snake. And me not encourage nobody to take any chance with snake like that. You see me? Because some of them dangerous now, people. I also saw a video posted on social media that shows two persons holding on to two snakes, and according to some things that they said in the video that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that they are from within the country of Jamaica, and that they said that those snakes are from the country that is known as Jamaica, you know. And they also said other things that gave me the understanding that they said that they are protecting those snakes and they are going to do or have already done music videos with those snakes. As I say, I'm not sure because I don't quite remember exactly the things that they said. But, you know, me see the video, I just make you know about it, my people. You see me? And the size of snakes that me see those two persons hold on to in the video that I saw, viewers and subscribers, them big. You know what I mean? Some people within the country of Jamaica might not know so that Jamaica have snakes that big, you know. You see me? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, now the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man, and in the video the man said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he came here to Jamaica with someone and that he's not from Jamaica. According to some things that the man said in the video, viewers and subscribers, I wonder if the man is actually telling the truth, if he is pretending, if he is acting, or if he is mentally ill. I wondered all those things. My people, I want you to take a look at this video, listen carefully to the things the man said, and tell me what you think. I soon tell you what I think after I present the video to you, alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe.
My name is Hakeem Simpson. Me and a guy come here. Name is Sammy. He come in Eddie Murphy show. Me and him come in Jamaica here. We should never come here. We left to go. My father said we want to spread out the oats. So we decided to mine and take a different plane and come to Jamaica. He have all the papers because he walk with all the papers. When he come to Jamaica, he come to the airport, and when he come to the airport, he send a car. He said, we must stand right here, soon come. And he take a car. The car go away with him. When I look, I see a different car come back and said, Hakeem. He said, yes. He said, come. Sammy said, must go and take you up. So when he came me to a place in Castleton, he came me to kill me, but he never get to kill me. Because the money that I have in my pocket, I take it out and show him and say, you don't have to kill me because I'm not from Jamaica. And he said, I know, because Sammy said, I must kill you, but I don't die. That is the same Sammy when you see in Eddie Murphy show. You know everything about me. My name is Hakeem Simpson. My father is Zafi Zafa. He get paid to kill me because somebody else want to run my palace. I am the prince from the palace. Check it, I'm from Zamunda. That guy, what in the palace right now, is a guy come from Jamaica here. Say he are the prince, but he are not. I'm still here, and I'm not dying. My name is Hakeem Simpson. I come out to the airport and come here, me and Sammy. Sammy is the guy that you see in Eddie Murphy show, named Sammy. It's me and him come to Jamaica here. And from that day, I'm here, same way, I'm not dying. I am the same guy. But I use a different name since I come here because I find somebody who will take care of me. I use the name of Anthony Simmons, but it's not my name. My right name is Hakeem Simpson, and I'm still here, suffering. They want to kill me, but I still not die. I'm still in your country. So I want you to check about it. I'm from Zamunda. I am from the big crown of Africa. My father is Zafi Zafa. That guy was say he are the prince, he have the ship. So please, when you hold on him, hold the ship. Don't make him come out the country. Just try to hold on him and come for me because I'm in Turling Castle here. They want to kill me. They tried to come here a couple months ago and they said, Hakeem, you are die, stay die. But I'm not die. I'm married to a girl named Lisa McDonald in Queens, New York. I want you to check about it, I'm still here, I'm not dying. You might see.
My people, you ever hear about a movie when you're coming to America? Yeah, with Eddie Murphy. Yeah, Coming to America. Yeah, I think I have the name right. Coming to America with Eddie Murphy. So I wonder if this man somehow compare his life to that movie, or maybe the man is acting or him do this video as a publicity stunt or something. Because on a real, if this man really and truly believe the things that him said, then I'm wondering if he's mentally ill. And I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but you hear the things that him saying in the video, my people. You understand me? So, my people, tell me what you think. You tell me what you think. Because me just tell you some things that go through my mind when I look at that video. Tell me what you think. You see me I say, yeah, I don't know exactly when that video be recorded, but I think that that video had been out there for some time now. You see? Well, if you believe the things that I'm saying to my people, I know, me I tell you, a whole heap of things me I think about. You see me I say? Sometimes the stress of life make people lose it, Not joking thing in people, a whole heap of things that go through some people mind, and so have some people out there go through a whole heap of things in my people. Anyways, I guess I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.